Welcome back. If you are just joining us, we have a tornado warning for central Oktibbeha County, including Starkville and Mississippi State's campus. This is a confirmed dangerous tornado that is on the ground for Oktibbeha County, right around the Starkville area. We can see it on the velocity product that we should have reds and greens setting right up next to each other. And we can actually see that pretty well defined if we can zoom in right there near Starkville. We can see that these green and red pixels are touching. That means that air is going away and towards the radar, meaning that we've got that spin, indicating that we've got a tornado. And spotters have spotted a dangerous tornado near Starkville. If you are in Mississippi State's campus, you need to be on the lowest level of whatever building you are in. In the central part, bathroom, closet, many walls in between you and the outside as possible. This velocity is starting to move up. This tornado should be right here in this region near Hillbrook, South Farm. If you are anywhere in this area, you need to be in your safe place. Mississippi State's campus, the Highland apartment and houses, you need to be in your safe place now. We are likely getting to debris from this storm as well, with right in this area as well. We see this pixel that is right about the yellow color. That indicates that something other than rain is lofted up into the air. That is leaves or building pieces, shingles, stuff like that. Oh, with the updated, we actually have a pretty defined debris signature right here. This bright yellow and green means that we've got some damage occurring in this area. That means a tornado is on the ground, likely causing damage at this moment, meaning if you're Mississippi State, Highlands, Hillbrook, Aspen, any of those apartment complexes along Blackjack, you need to be in your area. They are moving. This storm is moving your direction here shortly. It's moving about 35 miles an hour, so it's moving right along into the northeastern portion of Oktibbeha County. West Point, you're not included in this warning right now. Our threat is still focused here in Starkville, Highlands, Osborne. You need to be in your safe place now because a dangerous tornado is on the ground creating damage in the Starkville city limits. Anywhere you are, lowest level, interior room. I know a lot of people are here at Super Bulldog Weekend, but your tornado safe place, it doesn't matter if it's a house, it needs to be in between you and the outside, as many walls as possible. We have to be in a bathroom or a closet or a hallway with as many walls in between you and the outside as possible. Few windows, no windows near you if possible, because we have this really dangerous storm, tornado on the ground here in Starkville. It's Super Bulldog Weekend. We have a lot of people in town with this heavy rain and this mess going on right now. So no matter where you are, lowest level, interior room. We have some really heavy rain rates and this velocity couplet still continuing, meaning that we've got rotation and likely a tornado continuing on the ground. This means that this storm is going to continue to produce damage until it exits Oktibbeha County, meaning that this storm is still something to take seriously. We still have a tornado on the ground. It's likely producing damage, and it's going to continue as it continues to our northeast. If we pull up the debris signature one more time on to see the updated scan, we still have this little green blob. If we can zoom in a little bit more on Starkville, just so we can see exactly where this damage is occurring. We're likely seeing damage. We've seen damage in Colonial Hills, Starkville, South Farm. We have a pretty defined signature. These brighter colors, meaning that there is more material lofted higher in the atmosphere, meaning that we've got a pretty strong tornado on the ground. Moving into the Highlands neighborhood, we have Starkville city limits just to the west. Aspen, Highlands, we have lots of damage.